channel. Today I want to show you all how I took these chairs, they were red, and I made them into some yellow chairs for the room that I'm redoing, which is my hair room. And of course y'all see the little booty print because everybody sits in this chair to get their hair done. It's so comfortable, and it's got a little scratch on it, but I did order something from Amazon, so hopefully I can do a video on how to repair that, and then I'm gonna paint over it yellow. But I just wanted to show y'all what y'all can do with the vinyl spray paint. And the yellow was hard to find, but I did find it, and this is how it looks. And I'll put the link in the description box. It's some vinyl coat stingray yellow, and it's made by SEM Marine. It's really for boats, but of course vinyl is vinyl. So I'm going to show you all how I spray painted it and everything. I didn't do any primer, I didn't do anything. I just went to spraying, as I do. And I wanted to apologize to y'all because I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I really have been working a whole lot. I'm a nurse, and I've been working 2 jobs, so I'm still trying to complete the projects for YouTube as well, and I will continue to. And plus, I've been thinking about a lot of color. I'm trying to do color, and I love my glam, but I wanted to also incorporate some color into some of the videos and everything. So this is what I'm doing with the hair room. The colors are going to be yellow, orange, and maybe a teal. I'm not sure if it's going to be like a darker teal or a light teal, but I'm trying to get it together now. But this is the chairs that people will be sitting in to get their hair done. So stay tuned and watch while I transform it from red to yellow.